Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, April 18th, 2025. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines. We start with a public meeting notice. A Metro Transit public meeting is scheduled for the North and South Bus Rapid Transit line. A new north-south route will be the next phase of the bus rapid transit in Madison. This new phase will bring BRT upgrades to Route B. Public meetings are scheduled. A number of public meetings have been scheduled to learn more about this proposed new route called Rapid Route B, as well as reconstruction project on Park Street. So, when's the meetings? Well, you can see them here, but there will be one in Fitchburg on Thursday, May 15th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. in the council chambers. If you'd like more information on this or to send your comments, you can go do those by going to BRT or email brt@cityofmadison.com, or you can visit madisonbrt.com and check out the proposed routes. District 3 listening session will be happening next week. It's a great opportunity to talk to the mayor, District 3 alders, Donald Dantzler and Logan Redstart. Staff from Public Works, Police, and Senior Center will all be on hand along with the mayor. They'll provide updates on ongoing projects, programs, and availability to answer questions that you may have. Your voice matters, and we encourage all District 3 residents to attend. Note that this is it's on Thursday, April 24th at 6:30 p.m. at Fire Station number 3, 2950 South Scion Road. There's road closure there, though, with road construction going on. You will be able to pass through to get to the fire station for this event. So if you're coming in, you need to come in from about the north side of the construction, enter near Central Park Place. But just note that construction is going on there, but is open to get to Fire Station number 3 off of Clayton Road there. All right, Waterway Cleanups will be happening one this weekend and then next week as well. Volunteers are needed to keep our Fitchburg waterways clear. On April 19th and April 26th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., you can help out with the cleanup. Saturday, April 19th, we're meeting at Nannyberry Park Shelter at 9 a.m. to do the cleanup. And the next Saturday, April 26th, we got 3 different locations going to be doing cleanup starting at 9 a.m. Duns Marsh Trailhead, Corey Hill Park Shelter, and McKee Yarmouth Greenway. Check out the cleanup locations and choose the one that would work for you and you'd like to participate in. Make sure you're bringing closed-toe shoes, long pants. You may also consider wearing a hat and sunglasses. We will have gloves and vests along with garbage bags to collect garbage and recycling. Library bowling coming up at the Fitchburg Public Library. This is going to be happening on Monday, April 21st. Join us at the Fitchburg Public Library for evening of bowling in the stacks. Test your skill and knock down as many pins as you can. This is ages, 5 to 12 on April 21st, 6 to 7 p.m. in the Fitchburg Public Library Children's area. And they'll be celebrating Earth Day next week as well, and a lot of different events going on. This one is a fun one here. Earth Day traces back to the 1970s when Madison's very own Senator Gaylord Nelson recognized the need for widespread environmental awareness in response for the growing concerns over pollution, deforestation, and the consequences of industrial growth. Senator Nelson envisioned a day of national environmental education, thus kicking off the world event as we know it today as Earth Day. On Tuesday, April 22nd at 11 a.m., you can come down for a brief presentation to learn more about this. This is at the Fitchburg Senior Center. We hope you'll join us there. And if you'd like to register for lunch that day as well, you need to call the day ahead. That's 608-270-4290 by Thursday, April 17th for that to be registered. Otherwise, that is the cutoff, to get registered and to make sure you get signed up for lunch. Employment workshop coming up. If you're looking for a job, we have a place you can check out if you want to advance your career or just learn more about building those resumes. Nevertheless, they'll discuss how to find a job, what employers look for, and how to make a resume and the skills that you need to help to be successful. It's on Wednesday, April 23rd from 4 to 6 p.m. at 29 South Mills Street in Madison. The neighborhood House of Madison is putting on this event. That's neighborhoodhousemadison.org/employment if you want to get signed up for this event. And finally, a TSA will begin their Real ID full enforcement on May 7th. On May 7th, TSA will no longer accept state-issued identifications that are not Real ID compliant. You can check out DOT's website and TSA website for more information. Have a great weekend, everybody.